let it snow. Well, it doesn't show signs of stopping, but I brought some corn for popping. The lights are turned way down low. Let it snow, let it snow, let it snow. When we finally say goodnight, how we hate going out in the storm. But if you really hold me tight. Oh my god, you're filming this?
Yeah.
All the way home you'll be warm. Jake is looking at the snow. Ah, you farted. Say hi, Jakey. Say hi to everyone.
Oh, it's sticking over there, like on the other apartment building's roof over there.
It's a total blizzard, and it's not even November just yet. Hey, can you believe it? Can you believe it? What do you think? You think that snow tastes good, right?
Jake?
Say hi, Dad. Dada? Where's Dada? There he is! Where's Mama? Jake, where's Mama? Ah, here I am!
Sticking to the grass a little bit. I doubt it's sticking to the.
Sure puts a kink in our day.
I doubt it's sticking to concrete though. It was too warm out yesterday.
It sure puts a kink in our day, guys. Excuse me, Dad. He's laughing. What you doing? What you doing?
Look at that little tushy. Look at that little tushy. It's the blizzard of 2011 now. The October blizzard of 2011. Jake was born the blizzard of 2010. Now he's going through another blizzard. Jake's seen hurricanes and earthquakes and blizzards. Right?
Yep. Are you stuck?
Alright. Bye, peeps.
Jake, can you say bye?
Wave bye-bye.
Can you say bye-bye? Can you say bye-bye? Say bye. Bye, Daddy. No? All right.
Jake. Jake, Jake, Jake. Jake. Jake.
He's not in position. And he's smart. Nobody's actually leaving, so he's not waving bye.
That's true. He's the smartest baby alive. He's already figured out the remote control.
Woohoo! Don't do it, Jake. Don't dive off the couch. Sure puts a kink in our day, guys.